Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me here today. My name is Stephen Maida, and I'm an application engineer here at VAHLE USA. Today I'd like to go over our Brushwear monitoring system with you and how that can prevent unscheduled downtime for your equipment. Here we understand that unscheduled downtime is never a good thing. We want to ensure that our products work and it's only at scheduled maintenance time is whenever you have to shut down. Okay, let's go over how this solution works for you. In this demonstration, we're going to have two different collectors. One's a worn out collector and the other one's a brand new collector. And you can see on the brush of the collector how much the difference in the depth. All right, so the first one we're going to do is we're going to use the good collector, going through there, nothing, okay. And so this collector is going to be the bad collector, and this is going to be with carrier that has tag 99. So the carrier will go by there, by the read head, and here comes the collector. And this collector, this portion right here is pushed down on the indicator, notifying the system that, hey, this collector needs to be replaced. And so the light has gone on and the notification has been sent to the HMI display screen. Once your technician notices the alarm stack light, they're going to come over here to this screen. What they're going to notice is the date and time, the tag ID number, and the number of poles for your equipment. In this case, we have today's date with time, tag ID number 99, and pole 3 collector needs to be replaced. Once they've notated that, they're going to go ahead and press the reset light and schedule that maintenance. The benefits of the advanced brushwear monitoring system that are going to be good for you and your team is going to be stored alarm history, so you and your team can review it at a later date, and also being able to pinpoint exactly which carriers have bad collectors that need to be replaced. If you need more information on this product, please feel free to reach out to us at the information below, and we'll get back to you soon.